contest, tatawagin natin isa sa mga grand finalists. Isa sa mga grand finalists, pasok na sa grand finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, Young JJ!
Young JJ!
Young JJ, come on!
Ay, kasali na to sa Grand Final.
Yes!
Wow.
Isa to sa mga unang sumali dito.
I love English to. Kausapin mo yan, ha?
Oo, iba ang pasabog niya.
Ay, grabe.
Sa kilikili talaga.
Hi!
Hello,
Oh, di ba naamoy mo?
how are you doing? I'm Young JJ by name. I'm here to entertain you guys for just 30 seconds or 1 minute. So
Okay.
hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy my performance.
We appreciate it. See you on the grand finals on May.
Oh my God, thank you so much. God bless you. So let me use this opportunity to entertain you guys before my grand final coming up on May 1st. So enjoy this performance now. DJ, play my song for me.
Maperform pala siya, Be. Oo nga, Be. Parang siya nga.